Hi guys, good evening. This is Giselle. So I'm taking a vlog now for what is my secret of my face to make it fair. Okay, so I'm using this product as a Kojie San to maintain my face. To use on my wash before I'm putting my cream. Okay, so I'm using the Maxipeel number 3 to for everything all my acne, okay, to anti acne depigmenting agent. Okay, so very fantastic. So after that I'm using the pinkish furnish, okay, from Olay. So this product is really fantastic for my face. This is before my face is really black and lot of pimples. Now is a bit have pimples here at the on my thing. Then it should be okay now. Before is really not good. So one Olay is I'm using the oil whitening cream. Okay, for the nighttime I put. For the daytime I put the cream is Olay. This one the pinkish. Okay, this product I put my face. Okay, so this product is really fantastic guys. So please subscribe